All right, well, good afternoon, and welcome to another day in my life as a property preservation and foreclosure recovery real estate agent in the state of Florida. Today we have a very large home in a 55 plus retirement community, and not the worst I've seen, not the best. Got a nice new HVAC system and this little growing window in the back of the house there, and this bay window screened room and closed room. Looks like it's got a newer roof on it. Pretty nicely landscaped on a corner lot on a cul-de-sac. And it looks like somebody at some point took some pretty good pride in the place. So let's go take a look inside and see what we got. All right. And come into this giant living room with tile floors and maybe a pineapple, upside down pineapple ceiling fan. Kind of makes you wonder. Let's start over here. This would be the master bedroom. It looks like they started painting and decided not to finish. And it's got the dreaded Berber carpet and the stone looking ceiling fan. Almost looks like authentic stone, not. And large wall closet, and maybe somebody was hiding something or going to install a floor safe. Not real sure what that is. And the master bathroom. Commode's hidden back there in the corner. Bunch of cabinet space. Nice walk-in shower. A jetted tub, which nobody ever uses, but always wants in their house. And there's some trash and debris left around behind here, but there's not supposed to be. So I'm sure somebody will be coming back to finish cleaning this up. This house is kind of like a maze. Here's that Florida room. And you come around here into this dining room. And one thing about this house, it definitely has some cabinet space. Got a large closet there. Breakfast nook with a bar here. And a little bit of mismatching on the appliances, but and these dreaded ceilings. Everybody hates these ceilings. I don't know when that was in or why it ever was. But you got a cream colored dishwasher and a cream colored refrigerator and a white stove and microwave. But lots of cabinet space and counter space in here, which is really cool. And in here we got a little washer and dryer laundry area and the garage. I guess we'll call it a 2-car. It's going to be pretty tight. Old hot water heater, makeshift workbench. Oh, it's got a air purifier on the HVAC and an irrigation system. And go up to the attic. All right, let's go back through. Take a look at the other end. I haven't seen anything overly surprising. Which way should we go? Let's go right. All right. Nice seafoam grain carpet that needs to be replaced. Oh, I better look at the roof outside. Doesn't look wet. Hopefully that's old damage. And it looks like the seal's pulling down on the window. And another one of these built-in weird closets. And what's behind door number 1? Oh, the bathroom. There we go. Nice pink cabinets. You gotta love pink cabinets. And who doesn't want pussy willows on their wall? Yeah, everybody wants a pussy willow on the bathroom wall. All right. There's the living room again. Oh, we got another hall closet. Lots of closets in this place. And bedroom number, I think 3. I don't know why you need a 3-bedroom in a retirement community. What the hell do I know? And we got, wasn't there a water heater in the garage? They must have wanted one just for this end of the house. Open another attic access. Everybody needs a spotlight in their closet, just missing a stripper pole. All right. I'm gonna go change some locks, secure this place, and get ready to start marketing it. We will see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out.